What if the Bible subtly hints that life is like a simulation? Obviously, it doesn't say God's running a cosmic VR game, but some verses seem to align with that concept. Let me break it down. Take 2 Corinthians 4:18, where it says, "The things which are seen are temporal, but the things which are not seen are eternal." That sounds a lot like this world being a temporary construct, a demo version, while the real, eternal reality exists beyond what we can perceive. Kind of like how an early access game isn't the final product. Then there's Hebrews 1:03, which says, "God upholds all things by the word of his power." Imagine reality as a game that only runs because the developer keeps the servers online. If God were to pull the plug, instant shutdown. Colossians 1:17 reinforces this, stating that by him all things consist. That's some serious programmer energy. Like he's maintaining the code that holds everything together. Look at Job's story. God allows Satan to test him but sets clear boundaries. You can touch everything he has, but don't take his life. That's basically divine admin controls, limiting what can and can't happen. Romans 9 even describes God as a potter shaping clay, eerily similar to a developer crafting NPCs. Then there's 1 Corinthians 13:12, which says, "Now we see through a glass darkly, but then face to face." That's basically low-res graphics before the full HD version. Like we're in a limited rendering world waiting to experience ultimate reality. And what about Jesus walking on water, parting the Red Sea, or stopping the sun? That's like God entering / no clip into the console, uh, bypassing the physics engine to prove his sovereignty over the system. Finally, Revelation describes a future where God replaces this world with a new heaven and a new earth. Sounds like a full system reboot or a sequel with better mechanics and no bugs. Now, obviously, this isn't meant to be taken literally, but it's interesting how these concepts align. The Bible presents reality as designed, temporary, and entirely dependent on the Creator's will, which kind of parallels how a simulation depends on its developer. What do you think? Late night overthinking, or is there something to this?